Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So recently Samsung has launched the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition with awesome features and characteristics. According to the latest news, Samsung is already preparing the next Galaxy A55 mobile phone. Yes, Galaxy A55 will soon launch with a 32 megapixel selfie camera and 350 megapixel rear camera modules. The next Galaxy A55 that Samsung is preparing is emerging as the successor to the current Galaxy A54 and has recently been subject of a leak that reveals some of its details. Samsung's Galaxy A series has seen great success in the mid-range category, and the Galaxy A54 has been particularly well received due to its balance of features and prices. Many previous reports said that Samsung has begun developing the next members of the Galaxy A 2024 lineup, and the Galaxy A55 is one of them. Today, a source from Galaxy Club has just revealed to us quite interesting news related to the camera system of the Galaxy A54 successor model. Specifically, the latest report says that the Galaxy A55 will be equipped with a 32 megapixel camera for taking selfies and video calling. It is still unclear whether this is the same sensor that Samsung used for the Galaxy A54 or not. Experts believe that with the Galaxy A55 selfie camera having a constant resolution compared to the previous generation, it is likely that the sensor quality will also remain unchanged. The main and ultra-wide rear cameras on the Galaxy A55 are also expected to remain the same, 50 megapixel and 12 megapixel respectively, as on the Galaxy A54 model. That will likely apply to the macro camera as well. Although we have no news on this sensor at the moment, the only upgrade of the Galaxy A55 that is confirmed is a newer Exynos chipset. According to the news, the new mobile phone will use Exynos 1480 chipset. Hopefully both the performance and the battery life of the phone will be better with the new processor. Looking at Samsung's recent track record, we can also expect that the new Galaxy A55 to feature a 120Hz Super AMOLED screen, stereo speakers, and IP67 rating for dust and water resistance. We hope the company keeps the microSD card slot on the Galaxy A55. Other phone specifications, features, and exact prices of the mobile phone is not officially disclosed. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.